Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to crochet an 8-petal African flower square. This square is so easy and suitable for many projects such as bags or blankets or any project you want. For this project I used Ali's Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. You can use any yarn and any crochet hook. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, I make a slip knot and then chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now insert my hook into the first chain and slip stitch to form a ring. Okay, now I want to start the first round into this ring. Chain 3, that these chains count as the first double crochet, and make a double crochet into the ring. Okay, now I have 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and make 2 double crochets into the ring. This is the first double crochet and second double crochet. Again chain 1 and make 2 double crochets into the ring. 1 and 2, chain 1, and then I repeat this sequence 6 more times until the end of the round. After each 2 double crochets, make a chain. Okay, at the end of round 1 I have 8 parts of 2 double crochets and 8 chains between them. Now I want to slip stitch into third chain. Okay, and then fasten off and cut the yarn. I want to change the color and start next round with new color. This is the end of round 1. Okay, for the next round I want to join new color between each 2 double crochets of each part here. Okay, slip stitch and chain 3, that counts as the first double crochet, and then I make 2 double crochets in same space between same 2 double crochets. Okay, now I have 3 double crochets, chain 2 and then skip next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets here between these 2 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 2, skip next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets between next 2 double crochets here. 1, 2 and 3, chain 2, and then I repeat this sequence until the end of the round. I make 3 double crochets between each 2 double crochets of previous round and then chain 2. I repeat this until the end of the round. Okay, now I have 8 parts of double crochets, and now I want to join into third chain of the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch and fasten off and cut the yarn. Okay, this is the end of round 2. Okay, for the third round I want to join new color at any chain 2 space here. join the color with slip stitch, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 that count as first double crochet, and make another double crochet into same space. Now I have 2 double crochets, chain 2 and make 2 double crochets into same space, 1 and 2. Okay, now I skip next 3 double crochets and repeat that sequence into next chain 2 space, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and again 2 double crochets into same space. Okay, again skip next 3 double crochets and make 2 double crochets into next chain 2 space, then chain 2 and 2 double crochets into same space. And I want to repeat this sequence until the end of the round, and then I'll come back. Okay, at the end of this round I have 8 parts, and now I want to join with slip stitch into third chain of beginning chain 3, and I have to continue with same yarn. I want to go to this chain 2 space, so slip stitch into next double crochet and then slip stitch into next chain 2 space and begin next round from here. Chain 3 as first double crochet and make 6 double crochets into same space to form first petal of this 8 petal flower. 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now I make first petal. Now I want to go to next chain 2 space and make second petal into this space, so I make 7 double crochets into the space, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and this is the second petal. And again I make next petal into next chain 2 space and repeat this sequence until the end, and then I'll come back. Okay, at the end of round 4 I have 8 petals totally, and now I want to join with slip stitch into third chain of beginning chain 3 and fasten off and cut the yarn. I want to start next round with new color. Okay, for the beginning of round 5 I want to join new color into first double crochet of any petal. Here I join the yarn with slip stitch and then chain 1 as first single crochet, and now I want to make a single crochet into each double crochet of petal, so I want to make 7 single crochets. This is 5th single crochet, 6th and 7th. Okay, now I have 7 single crochet, and now I want to make a spike single crochet here into space between petals of round 3. Pull up a long loop and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, and this is the first spike, and make a single crochet into each double crochet of next petal. 4, 5, 6 and 7, Again, I want to make a spike single crochet here between these two petals of round 3. So insert the hook into the space, yarn over, pull a long loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And then repeat this sequence. Make a single crochet into each double crochet of next petal, and then make a spike single crochet between next petals of round 3. Six and 7. Here I make a spike single crochet, and then I repeat this sequence for the other petals until the end of the round. Okay, at the end of this round I made a spike single crochet here, and now I want to join with slip stitch into chain 1 of the beginning of this round and fasten off and cut the yarn, and now my 8 petal flower has made. Now I want to make the border of the square, so I join new color into first single crochet of any petal of previous round, and then chain 1 as first single crochet, and now I want to make 3 single crochet into next 3 stitches. Okay, now I have 4 single crochet, and now I want to make a half double crochet into next stitch, and then make a double crochet into next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. And now I want to make a treble crochet into next spike stitch, so yarn over twice, insert the hook into next spike single crochet and complete the treble crochet, chain 2, and again yarn over twice, insert the hook into same spike stitch and make a treble crochet again. And this is the first corner of the square. Now for the next petal I have to make 2 double crochets into first 2 stitches of next petal, 1 and here 2. Then I make a half double crochet into next stitch and single crochet into next 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4. Now I want to make a half double crochet into next spike single crochet, and the first corner of the square has completed, and I want to repeat these for next corner, so I make a single crochet into each of next 4 stitches, 2 3 and 4. Then make a half double crochet into next stitch, and then make double crochet into each of next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Okay, now I want to make a second corner, so I make a treble crochet into next spike stitch, then chain 2 and make another treble crochet into same spike stitch, and this is the second corner. And now I make a double crochet into next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and make a half double crochet into the next. and single crochet into next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and half double crochet into next spike stitch. Okay, now I want to complete the border of the square, so I repeat this sequence 2 more times until the end of the round. Okay, as you can see, the square has made, and now I want to join with slip stitch into first chain of the beginning of this round. Now chain 3 as a first double crochet and make a double crochet into each stitch of a previous round until I reach the next corner of the square. Okay, now I make a double crochet into next space and then chain 2 and make a double crochet into same space, chain 2 space of previous round of the corner of previous round, and this is the first corner of this round, and I want to make a double crochet into each stitch until the next corner. Actually, I have 19 double crochets in each side, and now this is the next corner, so I make a double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet into same corner, and this is the second corner, and then I repeat this sequence for other sides and other corners of the square. I repeat until the end. Okay, for this side of the square, I made 9 double crochets at the beginning of the round, and now I want to make 10 double crochets at the end of the round. So I make a double crochet into each of next 9 stitches, and then I will have 19 double crochets for this side, such as other sides. Okay, I complete these double crochets, and this is the last double crochet, and now I join with slip stitch into third chain and fasten off and cut the yarn. If you want to have a bigger square, you can repeat this round several times. Actually, you have to make a double crochet into each stitch of the side and make a double crochet, 2 chains and double crochet into each corner of the square. I hope this video will be useful for you. Have a nice day.